If your money still looks the same 90 days from now, it is not because you need more income. It is because you are repeating the same 3 habits that are quietly keeping you broke. Most people think fixing their finances means budgeting harder or making more money. But the truth is, if you do not fix these 3 behaviors first, every dollar you make is just going to disappear the exact same way it always has. And the worst part is, most people only fix one of these, which is exactly why nothing actually changes. So if you are serious about improving your finances over the next 90 days, you need all 3 working together. Habit 1. Track every dollar. Awareness before control. The first habit is simple, but this is where almost everyone fails. You need to track every single dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out. Because right now, you are not broke because you do not earn enough. You are broke because you cannot see your money clearly. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. You earn $1,800 this month. At the end of the month, you expect to have at least $400 left. But instead, you check your account, and there is $73. Now you are confused. So where did the money go? $12 on food delivery, $8 on coffee, $15 on a random online purchase, $11 subscription you forgot about, $20 here, $25 there. By the end of the month, that is over $320 gone. And you cannot even clearly remember spending it. That is financial leakage, not big mistakes, small repeated ones you never tracked. Now here is why this habit is powerful. Even if you only make $800 a month, because the moment you start tracking, you immediately find money, but not by earning more, by stopping what is already leaking. Now here is where people mess this up. They try to be perfect. They download apps, build spreadsheets, and quit after 3 days. So instead, do this. Every time you spend money, write the exact amount. $9, lunch, $22, groceries, $5, coffee. That is it. No system, no complexity. Now here is what actually starts happening. After 7 days, you catch yourself before spending $15 on something you do not need. After 30 days, you realize you were spending exactly $210 per month on things you do not even care about. After 60 days, that $210 is no longer disappearing. It stays in your account. Same income, different result. That is the power of awareness. But fixing that alone is not enough to completely change your finances. Because the next habit is what stops money from continuing to slip through your hands without you noticing. Habit 2. Give every dollar a job, intentional spending. Once you know where your money is going, now you decide where it goes before you spend it. This is called giving every dollar a job. Let's make this very clear. You earn $2,000 this month. Before the month starts, you decide $900 to rent, $300 to food, $150 to transport, $200 to savings, $150 to personal spending, $300 to everything else. Now every dollar is assigned. There is no guessing. Now compare this to how most people operate. They earn $2,000. Start spending freely. And by the 20th of the month, they have $180 left, with bills still unpaid. That is the difference. But now here is what this habit fixes. It eliminates unplanned spending. Because when your money already has a job, you stop asking, "Can I afford this?" and start asking, "Is this what this money is for?" That one shift changes everything. Now here is where people fail. They make unrealistic plans. They say, "I will only spend $100 this month." But in reality, they always spend $300. So what happens? They break the plan, feel guilty, and quit. So instead, if you usually spend $300, start with $250. Make it realistic, because this only works if it lasts. Now here is what happens. After 30 days, you do not feel stressed when spending. Because it is already planned. After 45 days, you stop random $20 to $30 impulse purchases completely. After 60 days, you consistently have $200 to $300 left at the end of the month. Not by luck, but by design. That is control. Now, once you have those first two habits working together, that is when the third one becomes so powerful. Because this is the habit that helps your money actually start working for your future instead of just disappearing every month. If you want to get your finances in order, make sure you are subscribed. Habit 3. Pay yourself first. Build before you spend. This is the habit that actually builds wealth. Before you pay bills, before you spend, you pay yourself first. Let's make this real. You get paid $1,500 immediately. You move $150 into savings. Not later. Not if something is left. Immediately. Now you are living on $1,350. And you adjust to it. Because here is the truth. If that $150 stays in your main account, it will get spent. 100%. Now, here is why this works. It removes access. That you cannot spend what is not there. Now, here is where people fail. They say, I will save what is left at the end of the month. But at the end of the month, there is nothing left. So saving never happens. Or they try to save $400 immediately, fail, and quit completely. So instead, start with something you can repeat. $50, $100, $150. Consistency beats size. Now here is what happens. After 30 days, you have your first $150 saved, not by chance, but on purpose. After 60 days, you have $300. And for the first time, you feel a small sense of financial security. After 90 days, you have $450 to $500 saved, and you are no longer living with zero backup. That changes how you think, how you spend, how you handle stress. Final integration. Now here is where everything comes together. Tracking shows you where money is leaking. Planning tells your money where to go. Saving makes sure some of it stays. If you miss one, everything breaks. You can track perfectly, but still spend everything. You can plan everything, but never save. You can try to save, but still leak money daily. But when all three work together, everything changes. And here is the truth. Your financial situation 90 days from now will not change because you tried harder. It will change because you changed your behavior. So if you actually apply this, here is what your life looks like. You stop losing $200 to $300 every month without knowing why. You consistently keep $200 plus at the end of each month. You build your first real savings. And for the first time, you feel in control of your money. Not stressed, not confused, in control. So start today, because the sooner you fix these habits, the sooner your money stops disappearing and starts building something real.